Alright guys, you ever just like have a car that you love so much, you've done a lot of weight, and you get to the point where you're feared to use it? Well, that's kind of what I'm getting with this Limitless. Obviously I've done my 100 with it, had a few bumps and scrapes over that time, and now I've got a new shell, new downforce all fully back on it and everything, so I'm really at the point now I'm thinking, do I want to shelf clean it, do I want to sell it, do I want to keep on pushing for faster speeds? I really don't know. But just now I'm running it on 6S. I was tempted to run it on 8S and try and get a higher speed, but I'm still in kind of two minds about it. So just now I'm just going to take it for a little blast up and down this industrial estate, just get a little play, and yeah, nothing crazy. I've got the GPS inside it, but to be fair, the battery's not been charged. It was showing no battery, so it might not even come up, but if it has, I'll really look at the end. The car come in. Typical once you start. So I'll not be doing anything flat out, but yeah, just let's see what it feels like with all the downforce back on it. Really just thinking about shelf cleaning it now though, because it's just looking so nice. The car come in. I think I've picked the wrong time to come out and have a little play about, just purely because it's 5 o'clock. There'll be a lot of people finishing work here now, so but I kind of want to just get a quick shot then get home. Just wait till these cars pass. Seems to, even on that 34 tooth pinion and spar, seems to rip like it's just got like a 16 tooth pinion in it. There's so much torque out that XO1 motor. That just makes me feel sick. What a speed. You just watch that rip, the sound's just so good. The car coming there the now. This is the one I kind of wanted to go so I could get a longer run. A little pass, but the car's handling feels great. Yeah, quite glad to have the downforce back on it. You can feel it even in these little short blasts. Before this GPS dies, we'll see what kind of speeds they are just now. I've got no idea. It feels quite quick, but I'm not really getting anywhere near into the power. Truck come in. Oh, the GPS has died anyway, but I mean I don't know what speeds they are just now, but it's more just a little just play about, we setup, feel what it's like with the downforce. I was tempted to get the GRPs, but I don't know, I'm quite liking these. Maybe just stick to what I know with D-boots, because they're actually really good tyres, and I've done a lot of runs. These are still full tread, because I'm not spinning them up like on the infraction. They seem to last quite a good while. So just one or two little passes up and down just now, then I'll be getting down the road. This road's not actually too bad, to be honest. Whoa! Oh, fuck! That's what I didn't want to do. That's unbelievable. Literally flipped it upside down there. Basically no marks, little scuff on the top, nothing to worry about. But yeah, I think that's kind of my point with the car just now. It's getting so fast that it's... Whoa, touch the trigger. Yeah, it's getting so fast now, it's like, what do I want to do? Do I want to risk crashing it like that and it falling to bits, or do I just want to kind of shelf clean it? Which I'm thinking now I might just actually shelf clean it, to be honest. It's done what it's supposed to do, and yeah, I just really don't want to ruin it. Love this car to bits. So lucky there that I didn't actually do any damage. That looked quite bad. But yeah, put in the messages what you think you would do, but I just think, I don't know, just the speeds are getting silly now, and I might just go back to more off-road bashing and some light road use. You seen there, I didn't really do a lot wrong. I just seemed to lose a bit of grip. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I think that's a sign for me. Just maybe, I think I'm going to retire for speedrunning, shelf this, I know what it's done, and move on to something else. I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later. Bye.